Hello everyone. Today's big story comes from the Miami Herald, revealing shocking new details about the crisis at the US border. Stay tuned. The Miami Herald reports that thousands of migrants are arriving at the southern border every day. Many are fleeing violence and poverty. Families with children, young adults, and elderly people are all part of this massive wave. The situation is overwhelming border officials. Local communities are struggling to provide shelter, food, and medical care. Volunteers and non-profit groups are working around the clock to help. The Biden administration has tried to address the crisis with new policies. But critics say the changes are not enough to stop the flow. Republicans in Congress are demanding stricter border controls. They argue that current laws are too weak and encourage illegal immigration. Meanwhile, Democrats are calling for more humanitarian aid. They want to protect the rights and dignity of all migrants and refugees. The Miami Herald investigation found that many migrants face dangerous journeys. Some are exploited by smugglers or fall victim to crime. Children traveling alone are especially vulnerable. They often arrive at the border exhausted, scared, and in need of urgent care. Border facilities are overcrowded and understaffed. Officials say they are doing their best, but resources are stretched thin. The crisis is not just an American problem. Countries across the Americas are seeing record numbers of people on the move. Venezuelans are among the largest groups seeking refuge. Many are escaping political persecution, economic collapse, and violence at home. Recent policy changes have made it harder for Venezuelans to stay in the U.S. Some 600,000 now face deportation. Critics say the new rules are cruel and unfair. Supporters argue they are necessary to protect national security and the economy. The Miami Herald highlights stories of families torn apart. Some parents are separated from their children while their cases are reviewed. Advocates for migrants are fighting for reform. They want fairer laws and better treatment for everyone seeking a better life. The debate over immigration is dividing the country. Politicians, activists, and ordinary citizens all have strong opinions. Experts warn that without real solutions, the crisis will only get worse. They call for cooperation between countries and leaders. For now, the situation remains tense and uncertain. The world is watching as America struggles to respond to this challenge. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.